everyone. If you are still thinking what printer to buy for your printing business, if you're starting out and you have the budget, I would recommend this printer.
Hello.
The Epson L14150. This is an A3 printer.
Yes.
The print quality is pretty good. The print quality is pretty good, and it's not that fast like the Workforce, but it's tolerable. The speed is tolerable. And
naman English lang ka.
And this is a duplex. This is a duplex printer, meaning you can print back to back automatically. But I usually don't use that feature, as I like doing it manually. And this is a borderless printer for A4, and I think A3 is borderless. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it, but the A4 is borderless. And if you are on budget, really on a very tight budget, I would recommend the Epson L121 printer. This is the cheapest. I think this is the cheapest model of Epson you can use. The print quality compared to the bigger one, of course, there's a lot of difference. The color, there's a lot of difference. You can't really compare the two in case of print quality, but if you just get a high quality images, you'll really get a good quality with Epson L1212. Just don't expect to get the color exactly as what you are seeing on the screen. Of course, our screen varies. We are using different screens, so we really can get that. You need to set the settings, get the settings, try until you get the correct colors that you want with L121. I am also using the same settings for my Epson L14150 with my Epson L121. And in order for you, since this is a document printer, meaning you can only print plain papers, to bypass that one, so that you can print high quality images on a photo paper, you need to bypass the driver. You need to use the L110 driver for L121 or 120. This is a very small and very light printer, and I am using this one for my stickers. So this is the pigment. I have converted this to pigment. I am using Kui brand. My L14150 is, I have converted that to a different Epson ink, D003 ink, as it is more cheaper than the original Epson ink code 001. But the print quality is still the same. It's just that the black of the Epson ink 001 is a pigment ink, while the 003 black is dye ink. So that's it. If you want to know more about printers, just comment down below, and I will answer it the best of my knowledge. I'm not so good with English, so please bear with me, and thank you so much for watching.